So the next speaker will be Pavel Osipov, and he is from BSH, Bosch Siemens Household Devices, and he will talk also about an exciting project.
Good evening, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for this perfect opportunity to join this semester with our innovation project. My name is Pavel Osipov. I'm from BSH Home Appliances, and I work for IT Innovations Department. This is not our first project. We started 2012, and every semester we have something new to propose. But of course, you're new to this semester, and I would like to introduce my company. So we will start with a short movie.
BSH Hausgeräte GmbH is the largest manufacturer of home appliances in Europe and is among the leading companies in the sector worldwide. The product portfolio covers the full spectrum of modern home appliances. The company was formed in 1967 as a joint venture by Robert Bosch GmbH and Siemens AG. Since the beginning of 2015, BSH exclusively belongs to the Bosch Group. Its success is reflected in its sales figures. The basis for these high revenues are the company's employees, who work for BSH in a global network of sales and customer service subsidiaries. BSH has numerous factories in Europe, the US, Latin America and Asia. The products of the two main brands, Bosch and Siemens, are manufactured there along with various special brands. With its regional brands, BSH also has a broad presence in the respective home markets, rounding off its extensive brand portfolio. The award-winning products are distinctive for long service life, user-friendliness, energy efficiency and outstanding design, and range from hobs, ovens and extractor hoods to dishwashers, washers and dryers, and from refrigerators and freezers to small appliances. The main focus of product development is on direct customer utility. The objective is always to make life easier through technological innovations. Understanding the needs of consumers in their respective regions is paramount here. This know-how is a prerequisite for long-term customer satisfaction and is the basis for people's trust in BSH's products and brands.
Well, I'm proud to work for BSH, and I want to stress your attention that we are #1 in Europe. We produce home appliances in nearly every product line, and we are very innovative. So since the beginnings of the 20s, we have an innovation department nearly in every product area. We are top employer in Europe, and we are proud of that you join our project, that you join innovation, which we present today. Today is about washing and about drying. This is our product areas, and this is a strategically important direction in BSH. We even found several startups to investigate solutions and to satisfy our customers. And now I tell you about the project of this semester. So please imagine these symbols. You know them very well. This is laundry symbols, icons. Many of you know it when you see the first line, for example, but difficulty comes when it's so complicated. My favorites are don't wash, don't dry, let's throw it away. And the problem is that this context is very much important for us, and we want to digitalize this context, and we want to approach the real Internet of Things, Internet of not just devices, but Internet of items, Internet of clothes. So we propose you to solve the following problem. We have an item, and this item has a context. Try to digitalize this context. Find the appropriate technology with NFC and prepare this information, this context, to be sent to the washing machine. That the washing machine can decide on which program to choose, how much water to take, how much electricity to take, how much washing powder to take. So try to digitalize the context of items. This is a list of what to do. You have to select the technology, you have to invest. You have to bring this on table and to prove that this technology of the near-field communication is the best one. Think about how the tag, NFC tag, I don't say at the moment, maybe it's a RFID, maybe it's something else, maybe it's a Curie computer, whatever, but try to defend your idea that exactly this design of a tag would be useful and people will accept it. Try to invent the way how they attach the tag to the items. How do they register new tags? How do they remove the tags? Imagine the database, imagine the app and design, write and program the app that realizes the items database, clothes database at home. There's also several creative cases like favorites. How do I keep my favorites? How do I combine, for example, a shirt and trousers and so on and so on? They are all in problem statement. So the idea of the project from BSH is that you try to digitalize the context of laundry care, of laundry symbols here, and you try to do it with the RFID or other NFC technology to transfer this information to a washing machine. So I think I have some time for questions.
In order to would you think that the application would make use of the camera in order to get the information of the Kleidung?
Yes, 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 yes. It would be very interesting that you propose such a functionality. And if you can prove the use case, if you can defend it because we always have thousands of no's. Why shouldn't we do it? Why it will be not accepted? Because we are very much consumer-oriented and we know how people use our appliances. We know how people wash at home. And if it's a difficult thing, we will not accept it. And if it's a fantastic innovation, you're welcome. Yes, the recognition of a tag and recognition of item itself would be an option, a function.
One of the questions that I have is, for this project, it would basically have two components. The first one would be to recognize what a piece of clothes would be from the tags that you show, and the other one would be to develop a sort of algorithm that would specify the best washing program or drying program for it. Is this correct?
Yes. So first you choose the technology. Which technology will you use for the tags? Then you write an application which recognizes the tags, which creates a database entry on the phone. And then you have a table which then you transfer into JSON or maybe REST message, and then you send it to a washing machine. So the programs are predefined by the washing machine itself, so you just select one of the most suitable. No more questions. Okay, thank you very much. I welcome you to join BSH project. Very happy to have you on board. Thank you very much.